Hi guys, and welcome to the finale of my 2022 project Pan. It has gone well the past month and a half, was it? Or maybe a little bit more. However, there is one disappointing product. About half of the products I have not actually managed to finish, and there's 5 empties. So let's start with these. Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse Foundation. It is now completely empty. I literally just used it up yesterday. It was a really nice foundation actually. I really enjoyed using it. The next item I've managed to use up is from this palette by Too Faced Cocoa Contour. Where was it now? Oh, here we go. That's where it was. There was a bronzer here. There's nothing left. Again, I literally used it up this morning, the last bit. It's just because I had a weird month with Christmas, and then for about a week I couldn't even wear makeup on my face, so I could have used it up long ago, let's face it, but it's still used up. And on top of that, I have actually managed to use up an entire face palette this year, which is amazing. The next item is from the Sleek Duo. It's a duo of contouring powder and a highlighter. And I was panning the contouring powder. It is completely gone. I actually used it up a few days back. I didn't like it. It did really look like mud on my face. I have finally used up a lip product. I really don't know what it is with me and lip products. And it is by Estee Lauder, this lip gloss. Oh, it doesn't really say anything on the container anymore. It rubbed off. It was in Magnificent Mauve. Now, it does appear that there is still some product here and here, but I can't get it out. I've been trying and struggling, but the duffel applicator is just not long enough. So I'm calling it done, and at least I've used up, I think this is the only or one of the 2 lip products that I've used up this entire year, which is pretty insane. And the last product I've managed to use up is this nail polish. No surprise there. It was a mini. I did not like it. It chips like crazy. I'm glad I am rid of it now. I've mentioned that I have a disappointing product, and the reason why it's disappointing is because actually I forgot that I actually had it in this project. I forgot that I needed to use it up. I could have done it, but I forgot. And I was away for Christmas, so I just left it at home. So the disappointing product is from the Urban Decay Naked Shape Shifter palette, and it is this highlighter. I did use it a few times, but I just completely forgot about it, and I didn't take it with me when I was going on holidays, so I still have some left. I will just continue using it throughout January, and I will have it used up in no time. The next product is something I've been panning now for I think 3 years, and this is by the brand called Collection, and this is this brow powder. There's hardly anything left, but because you need so little, it takes ages to make any progress at all. I will continue using it because I'm just so used to it until I'm done with it. It's crazy when you think that you've been using something on an everyday basis for 3 years and it's still not done. The next product that I've not made almost any progress on is by NYX Mineral Stick Foundation. I literally used it only twice maybe. As I've previously mentioned, I really wasn't wearing makeup for about, I would say 10 days this entire month. I probably could have at least made some progress on this product. I am not crying because I only have new, like brand new foundations that I've never used in my collection now, aside from this one and another one that is actually the wrong color for me. So I simply need a foundation to use for the next couple of weeks until I get around to using the new ones. So this will be probably used up by the end of the month of January. Now, the next few products are just all lip products, and I've not made any progress on them. I really don't know how and why I've done so badly when it comes to lip products this year. I always do badly when it comes to lip products, so it's just really puzzling to me because I do use lip products every day pretty much, except that I don't wear like tinted lip glosses at home. It's only when I leave the house, but I leave the house pretty much every day, so maybe I'll do better next year, I hope. So there's no progress on the 4 that I have left. So these are the 4, 3 from Revlon and 1 from Max Factor. There's not that much left, but it's such a big lip gloss that actually there's still quite a lot left. So that's a little bit disappointing, but well, it is what it is. I have only 1 set of lips, so There's only this much lip gloss you can put on it. And the last product from this year's Project Pan is again from the Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette, and this is the contouring powder, which I've not even touched. I haven't even used it once, I don't think, so there's absolutely zero progress. And this is it, guys. So I have used up 5 products, so that's good, I guess. I have a few products that I will continue using for the next month or 2, and I have no doubt that I will use them up. And then I'm actually gonna be rolling over some of the products that I've not used almost at all this year into the next year's Project Pan. If you are interested in Project Panning, then a new video, an introduction to my 2023 Project Pan is coming very soon, as I've edited it. So stay tuned for that. I hope that you liked the video. Please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.